Be careful with that knife. No, turn it flat. Turn it flat. Alright, do it that way. Oh. Watch out, Cody. Alright, that's good with the knife. Just pull it now. It will open.
Ryder, careful.
Ryder, that's it with the knife.
There's still boxes. Yep. No, I got it. I'll hold this back.
Trying to see his face.
Okay.
Alright, hold on. Okay.
Yay!
What is it, Ryan? Is it clothes? Is it socks?
No. What is it?
It's not clothes.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
You got a dress just like you wanted. Look, you can get out every time. Right, just look at the one you got. Wow. You may get me that knife. Hold on. No golden. That's amazing, and it's just like the real thing.
Oh, put that knife away. I'll help you get it out.
No, I want to.
Not with the knife, bud.
But that's right. It's open.
Ridey's toy, Keiko.
Right.
Ridey let you play, don't worry. We hope. No more knife, no.
Light and sound.
Ryder, bring it in the kitchen. Mommy, open it for you. Say thanks, Granddad.
Thank you, Granddad.